How to sew a loop. If you are new here, I'm saying welcome to Sew with Kirola, and if you are an OG, welcome back. Let's dive right in how to sew a loop. Now, a loop is used for native trouser band instead of elastic. It's used for spaghetti straps, ruched outfits, drawstrings, etc. The materials you need are fabric 2 inches wide and 10 inches long, matching thread, scissors, and safety pin. Now, for your fabric 2 inches wide, you want to fold it and then iron it. Fold it into two and iron it straight down to the end. This is the result after folding and ironing. The next thing you want to do is to sew close to the open end. That's leaving a 1/4 of an inch as an allowance. If you're not too sure, you can leave 1/2 an inch, but I would recommend a 1/4 of an inch. Now sew it down to the end again, a straight line. It's a good point to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and then give this video a thumbs up so that you can see more of my posts. It will really encourage me when I see your thumbs up. If you want me to take other topics, you can leave them in the comment section and I will respond accordingly. Now this is me sewing my straight line, as you can see. After this, the next thing you want to do is to trim off, using your scissors, trim off the thread at the beginning and the end of your stitch. That's when you lock your stitches at the beginning and the end. You trim off the thread showing. You can see how I sewed my edges, a very clean and neat seam. Now the next thing after this is to turn it inside out. Turn the loop inside out. You make use of your safety pin. You put it at the allowance part of the fabric. That allowance part, the small 1/4 of an inch you left. You look closely at what I am doing so that you understand. Now you see how I have pushed in my safety pin. Take a pause to look at what I was recording and ensure that I was recording properly, as you see now. So you push your safety pin through the loop, as I'm now doing. You keep pushing it, and as you push your safety pin, you hold it down and drag the fabric out. So that's how you turn it from inside out. Look at what I am doing. I am gently pulling on the fabric. As it creates gathers, I'll pull it out. As it creates gathers, I'll pull it out. And like that, I am turning it in. Now this like I said earlier, this type of loop can be used for trousers. I think they are called kembe, these native trousers. It can be used for your spaghetti strap. It can be used for the strap in your ruched dress. Now see, it has finally come out of the open end. Now I'm holding it. That part I'm holding has the safety pin in it. So I'm holding that part. I'm pulling the open end out, carefully pulling it out so that I don't exert too much pressure on my fabric. And see, I am done. This is simple as you can see. It's not as difficult as we think, and I hope you have learned something today. Look at me taking out my safety pin. I'm taking it out right now because of course you can't leave a safety pin in your loop. It takes just 5 minutes to go through this process. Now after taking out my safety pin, the next thing is to give it a good press, bringing out both edges and making sure they are neat, because in fashion, what elevates your brand as a fashion designer is your neatness, attention to these minute details. So your finishing, if you iron your hems, if you iron your seams, and you can see the iron product. Now this is this drawstring in use. This is a drawstring spaghetti top, and you can see how it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe if you learned something today. See you, bye.